Friend, this is a continuation of my last video of abstract class versus interface. Now, here I am basically focusing on multiple inheritance by interface. If you remember, we have basically machine interface where we have this default and static methods, and we are basically extending calculator class, and calculator class has implemented machine interface. Fine, no issue. This is working here cleanly. Let's see back. We are getting everything here. But let's see, we have one more interface whose name is divisor machine. It's an interface, and it also has the method public double div, which I have taken similarly from here. Control C, divisor, and copy paste. Control S. Now, if somehow my calculator implement machine, comma, divisor machine, I am getting an error here. What is this error? This error says that unrelated default for div from types com this machine and from divisor machine. That is, there is some unrelated default method I'm getting. You need to identify, or you need to say that what is this. Now in this case, what basically we can do, either we can go and implement it here only. Let me show you how we can do this. Implement this method. I can implement division here. Let's say why I have implemented divisor, because here I have only divisor. So you will see that my calculator class is not giving any error now. Fine, very good. What this divisor is doing, let me have something to the divisor. Let's say first I will do a multiply a, and then I will do multiply by b, then I will do multiply by divide by b. Fine, no problem. Okay, so let me go to my main, and all this let me comment. I can't comment this back. Let me comment this part, calculator part. Let me comment this as out, and let me comment this as out also for some time, and let me run this. 8 multiplied to 8, 8 is 64, divided by 2, that would be 32, and 32 is the answer. Now, what is my divisor doing? Let me do this. A multiply first to 2, and then let me divide it by b. And what is in this machine? It is simple division here, a divided by b. Now I want this divisor method to come. I don't want this basically my default double to come into picture. What should I do? Let me think about it. Divisor machine dot super dot division, and let me pass a comma b here. So now here I am identifying that when you will call my calculator, you should call divisor machine dot super dot division a comma b and a semicolon. Let me save this. What this divisor machine has code, it will first multiply a multiplied to 2 and divide by b. What does this mean? 8 multiplied to 2 again divided by 2, 8 should be the answer, and this 8 is the answer. Let me come back here. Can I call this machine interface also? Control C, my calculator class, machine.super. Let me call my machine method directly, and yes, I can do that. If you remember, Even I have this static method also here. This is static. Let me do Control C, go to my divisor machine, Control V. Now let's see any compile time error. No, I don't get any error. Anything in main? No. Now let me go and run this. And one thing I need to do, I need to first go and remove this. Now let me go and run this. I am getting 2, very fine. And let me uncomment this part also. Now instead of cc.add, let me do something like this. cc.add division. There is no mod method here. See, there is multiply, but there is no mod method here. Can you tell me why? Even that mod method is not overridden here, because that mod method is static. It is associated with the interface. So whenever you will call that directly by the interface name. If you remember, you will see here I have divisor machine. Let me go back here. A multiply 2, and then let me have the mod of this. Let me come back to main, and what is this? Let me get something like this. Nothing. It is doing nothing actually for me. Let me come here. Let me do reason.mode. Let me run this back, and I am getting 0.0. That is the modulus. If you see this calculation type is a final string, how I can call this? Let me go back here. Here I have this mm.division. Let me have one more this dot out. Let me see what I can do here of this. Let me have mm division multiply. Okay, and it's from the field. What is this machine name here? This name is type here. Let me go back dot type, and let me have one more this out. This out, and this machine name. What is this machine? And what is this static name? Precision dot precision. Let me comment this, and run this. And it is giving me a type value, that is calculation device, and precision 5. You can go and check this back. This is calculation device 1, 2, 3. Again let me run this. And this is the case of handling multiple inheritance by interfaces in Java 8, where you will identify this by your interface name, as you are doing here. That's much for this video. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thanks.